Okay, today we are going to have a lesson on the highest common factor. Okay, please can you just write it down, the highest common factor. Yes, highest common factor. It is abbreviated as HCF in capital letters. HCF in capital letters. It's called the HCF in capital letters. Takuzwa, your video is off. Please unlock your video. Unlock your video, Takuzwa, if you can hear me. Okay, we are going to learn about the highest common factor. When you learn about factors, okay, you may be given two numbers and then they can say, find the HCF, okay? The HCF is the highest common factor, okay? So we are going to find the HCF of 20 and 30. For now, I would really love everyone to listen to me first, and then on the second round, we are going to do it together, okay? So that you listen to me, and then when I am done, you're going to be doing it on your own as you're also doing it as well so that you are able to do it well, okay? All right. We're going to find the highest common factor of 20 and 30, okay? So I'm going to show you first and then, okay, we're going to find the highest common factor of 20 and 30. The first thing you do, you draw a line, okay? Where there is 20, you draw a line, and when there is 30, you draw a line. The line is like this. There is a straight line, and then there's something horizontal going up there. You see this side that has space, this one. This side, you're going to put your factors here, okay? And this side on 30 that has factors, you're going to place your factors here. That's why we have this, you can have this division to know that your factors are this side, your factors are on this side. So all your factors are going to appear on the other side, okay? All your factors are going to appear on this side. So I'm going to show you how it's done. As you're doing the highest common factor, you firstly start with the smallest factor between 2 and 10, okay? Let's say 2 and 9. Okay, because we always want to deal with factors that have no other number, like a number that is moving on, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Every day, we want to deal with the small factors that move on their own. The 10, 11, we don't want them, we only deal with the small ones. And you start with the first one from 2, going to 3, 4. Don't jump. You start, if the 2 can divide into the number, always use the 2, use the 2, use the 2. If the 3 can divide, use the 3, okay? Don't jump and start with the 5 or the 6. Okay, so here, the first factor that can get you to a 20 is a 2, okay? So I'm going to write the 2 here. I hope you are all listening there and watching. So we say 2 into 20 is a 10, okay? You place your 10 here. The numbers that you have divided are going to be here, while the factors are here, okay? Then now, you look and you have a 10. The small factor that can divide to a 10 is a 2 again. So you put your 2. 2 into 10, it's a 5, okay? Can you see? There. Yes. And then now we have a 5. The small factor divided to a 5 is a 5 because 2 leaves the remainder, 3 leaves the remainder, 4 leaves a remainder, and 5 is the only one that can divide into 5. So we say 5 into 5, and then you get a 1. For you to know that you are done, right? There must be a 1 at the end there. For you to know that you are done, there must be a 1 at the end there. As you can see, I have a 1 there, which means I am done with working out the 20, okay?
Yes.
You all see what I did there?
Yes.
Good. Welcome to
Yes.
Okay, now we are dealing with 30. We are done with 20 because we now have a 1 there at the bottom. Now we are dealing with 30. So we divide now. The small factor that can divide into a 30 is a 2 because a 30 is a 10, right? 2 can get into the 10s. So we say 2 into 30 is a 15 there, right? The small factor that can divide to a 15 is a 3 first before the 5. So make sure you know the small factor that can divide. So it's a 3. We say 3 into 15, we get our 5, right? Then the small factor that can divide into a 5 is a 5. 5 into 5 is a 1. Okay, you can see Shadrach there, you're holding your hand. Is everything okay there? Shadrach,
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, at this stage, we are done. You see, you have a 1 there and you have a 1 there. Now, which means the working part is done. Now we want to find the highest common factor. Welcome, Charmaine. Thank you for joining us. Now you want to find the highest common factor. Okay, how do we find the highest common factor? We use the ticking method, okay? You'll be ticking like really how Mrs. Mlotshwa marks your work. She ticks. You also tick, but you don't put the long tick. It's just a small tick, okay? You use a small tick. Okay, so here, we said we want the number to be common, okay? So here, the 2 is common. There, can you see there's a 2 this side? There's a 2 there.
Yes.
Common, and that 2 there, okay? Once you have ticked 2, which means if you tick the 2 this side, you tick it there, you only write it once, okay? So the 2 there and the 2 there, yeah, right? But you write it once, okay? So we write it once there as 2 times. We write 2 times, okay? And then we come back again, we look for yet another common factor. Now we have a 2, okay? Here we have a 2, can you see? But we don't have that 2. But we have a 5 there, and we have another 5 there. You tick the 5, you see? This 5, write it down. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, you tick the 5 and you write down there. You write it down once. Welcome, Tyrone. I hope you can hear me. And then you have 2 times 5, right? So 2 times 5 is equal to 10, which means that the highest common factor for 20 and 30 is a 10, okay? Make sure you master the ticking method. If you tick the 2 here and there, you write it once, okay? If the 2, can you see that the 2 is there and the 2 is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You write it once. And here there is a 2, but there is no 2, can you see there? There is no other 2 there because we've already ticked that 2, okay? So we have, here we have a 3, we don't have a 3 this side. We cannot tick the 3. Here we have a 5, and we have another 5 there. Tick the 5, we tick the 5 there, write the 5 once there. And when we are getting our HCF, we multiply the factors. You say 2 times 5, which is equals to 10. You managed to get that?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
those who were joining us, let us do it together now. Get your paper and pen. We are doing it together now. Okay? I'm going to give you an example. As I say we have a 2 there, you also see the 2. As I say we're dividing there, we're also dividing the other side, okay? All right. We are going to find the highest common factor for 6 and 18. Let's write that down. 6 and 18. So you have to leave a bit of space in between so that you can you see, I wrote my 6 there, my 18 there, and then you are able to write, you draw your line there, draw the line as long as possible. As we are drawing these lines, let's say in our exercise books or in your work, you use your pencil, okay? You use your pencil, why? Because if you draw it to be too long, you need to rub it out, okay? So use a pencil. If you're not sure how long the line could be, you use a pencil. Draw our lines there. We use our pencil. You need to rub, you can rub it off. Okay, so we're going to start with this. Which is our smallest factor between 2 and 6 that can divide into a 6? Anyone? Anyone who can tell me?
2.
Yes, Samantha, your hand is, yes, Samantha? Sorry?
2.
A 2. Yes, that's correct. Let's divide with the 2. We place our 2 on the outer part side there. Okay? So you place your 2 there. Right. The moment you put your 2 there, you divide now. Okay? You say 2 into 6, or you say 6 divided by 2. What do we get? 6 divided by 2 or 2 into 6? Yes.
3.
It's a what? A 3. Thank you. Good, guys. Good, Chakunda. Let's place our 3. The 3 is coming under the 6, okay? Because it is not the factor, okay? Yes, the answers come underneath the 6 there. Then we are now going to look for a factor again. You see now our space is blank there. Which factor can we choose that is going to divide into a 3 there? Tyrone, you are not writing there. I can see you are not writing. Please You get your pen and write. Which factor are we going to divide with? Yes, Shadrach?
It's 3.
3. Good, Shadrach. We are dividing with the 3 now. So let's divide with the 3. You put your 3 outside there. The 3. 3 divided by 3 or 3 into 3, what do we get? Yes, Bryce?
1.
Good, we put a 1 there. The moment you have a 1, your working is done, okay? You are done with this side because you now have your 1 there. So which means we are moving on to the 18, okay? So if you are going to divide and there is no 1 appearing there, which means you still have more time to work, okay? You still have to work it out until you come down with 1 there. If you find yourself not getting a 1, which means there is something wrong. You have to go back and divide, okay? Now let's go to the 18. Let's have our line there. Draw your line there where there is 18 there. Which one is our smallest factor? Between 2 and 9 that can divide into 18. Remember we said we want the factors that don't have a 2. Thank you. Yes, it's a 2. Good. We put our 2 there. Let's divide. 18 divided by 2 or 2 into 18. What do we get?
9.
Yes.
9.
Good, Samantha. 9.
9.
Yes. Place your 9 under the 18. Please make sure that when you divide your numbers that you have divided, you must go under. Only the factors must be outside, okay? Only the factors must be outside. Let's draw our line.
Yes, ma'am.
9 there. We are drawing our line there. We have something blank there. What is the smallest factor that can divide into a 9? The smallest
3. 3.
Good, 3. We put our 3 outside there. Let's divide. 3 or 9 divided by 3.
3.
3.
3. 3. 3.
Place your 3 under the 9 there. You place your 3 under the 9. I hope we are moving together. Anyone who is lost?
No.
Now we have a 3. We need a factor that can divide into 3 there. There's a blank space there. 3.
3.
Good, Michaela.
3.
That's very good. 3. Let's divide 3 into 3 or 3 divided by 3. What do we get?
1.
What does it mean? We are done. Okay? The working is done.
Yes.
We haven't found the HCF.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So now the last stage is to find, which is not, it's not the last stage, it's the third stage, to find the HCF. To find the HCF, we use the ticking method, okay? You are also allowed to tick on your paper as well. Okay? Tick, because when you tick, which means we are no longer going to use that factor. So here we have a 2 at the top there. Can you see? You tick the 2.
Yes, ma'am.
And we have another 2 there at 18 there. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So we write the 2 down as 1, 2. It becomes 2 times, okay? You tick the 2 twice, but you write it as 1, 2 at the bottom there. Because now this is your time to find the HCF. Are we together there?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are moving on to the next. We have a 3 where there is a 6. Can you see? There's a 3. We tick the 3 there. Tick it as well on your exercise book there. And we have another 3 as well on the other side. Can you see? It's
Yes, ma'am.
3 there. So we write the 3 down. 2 times 3. Right? Okay?
Yes.
But can you see that now we have a 1? We no longer have another factor here. There is nothing there, but this side there is something. Can you see? So which means we are no longer going to take anything. Okay? Because it has to be common this side and the other side. Can you see? So now what is our HCF? It is 2 times 3. What is 2 times 3? What is 2 times 3? 6. Good. So our HCF is a 6. You managed to get that? I can see some smiles. I can see some smiles, which means people have managed to do it. Let me give you a sum to do on your own. Okay? I'm going to give you a sum to do on your own. Please take your time. You still have a few minutes, okay? All right. Find the HCF of, are you able to hear me? Find the HCF of 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 4 and 8, yes. 4 and 8. You put your 4 on the other side. I'm also working my own HCF this other side. When you are done, you just put your hand up, okay? Just do it, take your time. You're going to wait for everyone. We still have just a few more minutes. We can manage to wait for everyone to finish 4 and 8. Let's find the HCF of 4 and 8.
3, 6, 8.
Samantha, are you done?
Yes.
Good, Samantha, let's wait for others. Samantha is already done. Michaela is done. Good. Let's just wait for others so that we hear the different answers that we have. I'm not going to say it's
I'm done.
okay, good. Just wait. Let's wait for others. We still have others who are still working out. You can be cross-checking. Even if you are done, you can make a mistake. Just cross-check. But if you are sure, that's good. If you are sure, it's okay. Shadrach, you are done. Good. We are now, Chakuz, are you done?
Yes.
Good. We are now waiting for Sia and Tyrone. Don't worry, Sia. We are waiting for you. We still have time. We still have time. We still have 9 minutes. So that's a lot of time. We still have time. We still have time. Remember the ticking method. You tick twice, you write it once. Okay? You tick twice, you write it once.
I'm done.
Yes, Tyrone is done. Thank you, Tyrone. Miss Garcia, are you almost done? Are you done, Sia? Your volume is low.
I'm here.
Okay. It's almost done. And Michaela, are you writing as well?
Ma'am, I'm just double checking.
You're done, Sia? Okay, Sia is done. Okay. Samantha, what is your answer? What is your HCF?
4.
4. Thank you. I'm not going to say whether it's correct or not. I'll tell you once I've heard all the answers. Samantha, 4. Chakunda, what is your answer?
Yes.
4.
4. Thank you, Chakunda. Shadi, what's your answer?
4.
4. Sia, what is your answer? 1. Is that your answer, Sia? Michaela, what is your answer?
4.
4. What is your answer?
4.
Mr. Spenton, your answer?
8.
8. Okay. The answer here is my working, and then you can see whether your answer is correct or not. Here is my answer.
Yay.
The answer is 4. Okay. We want to go back and so that you are able to see where you did it correct and where you did it wrong. Okay. Don't worry. We are starting a new topic. We are doing it together. You're going to get it. Okay. Don't worry about that. Let me explain it to you. We said we have a 4, right? We start with the smallest one, 2. 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 2, 1. Done with that one, right? We go to 8.
Yes.
Sia, we are together.
Yes.
Don't worry. You know people will be having these long faces. Don't worry. You're going to get it bit by bit, okay? Yes, because what I need you to identify is where you did it wrong so that you can correct yourself, okay? That's where you need to identify. Don't tell me, no, teacher, I think I made the mistake here. That's what we call learning, okay? Where you are able to correct yourself, okay? Yes. Then we have an 8 here. We say 2 into 8, 4. 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 2, 1. We are done with those ones. Then we do the ticking method. We tick, we have a 2 there, we have another 2 there. We write the 2 once, okay? Can you see there?
Yes.
And then here we have a 2 there, and another 2 there, we write it once again. But here, there is no other 2 there, okay? It has to appear both. This side, there is a 2 there, but we don't write that 2 down. Why? Because it is not there this side. Can you tell? Can you tell that it's not there this side? That's why we write 2 times 2, which is equals to 4. Okay. Are you able to see where you went wrong?
Yes.
Okay, well done to those who managed to get it right. I uploaded some work for you on the highest common factor for both of you, okay? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yes. So please make sure you use this method. May I see this working on the paper, okay? Because as we are
Yes.
marking, even on the examination part, when they mark, they need to see this working on the paper. This question can have 5 marks just on its own, okay? So you cannot afford to lose 5 marks. You need to show the working. This working must be done on the paper. If it's a maths book, you write it on the maths book, okay? Yes. Yes, Sia? Sia, you can talk? Your volume is low, Sia. I cannot hear you. Please raise your volume. You can speak, Sia. Your volume is low. Can you write it down, Sia? Then you show me like this. Maybe I can read it. Write it down and show me your volume is low, okay? So well done, all of you, for being able to do your highest common factor. If you have forgotten, you just refer back to our, you just go back to YouTube and try and get the video, okay? So that you can do the same way that you did, but well done for doing it well, okay? Let me just wait for Sia before we say goodbye to one another.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's wait for Sia. His volume is a bit low. Show me, Sia. I still cannot see. True. You did there. Show me again, Sia. Oh, Sia, I still cannot see. Okay, I hope you all managed to understand the lesson for today, okay? All right. So let me give you a chance to say goodbye to one another before we close our lesson for today. So bye, guys.
Bye. Bye, teacher. Bye, Samantha. Bye.
Sia.
Bye, everyone.
Jacqueline. Bye, Sia.
Okay.
Bryce. Bye, Michaela. Bye, Tyrone. Bye,
Bye,
Takunda. Bye,
everyone.
everyone.
Nice day. Remember to submit work on Google Classroom, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to mark your work. If I haven't, please remind me, but I will mark your work, submit it on Google Classroom. Have a nice day. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.